Cooking's always been something that I would like to do since I was 8, 9, 10, 11 years old. And I really got into it like with cooking with my grandmother. It was always something that I knew I could do and I always liked to do. I've had friends take the culinary course here at Franklin Tech before, and I've always seen pictures and heard firsthand things that this has always been a really good place to do it. The classroom itself, the kitchen, it's nice, it's roomy, and it really has everything that we need to really understand, and we can all do it without having to wait for somebody. We can all get in and go at our own pace and do it as we go along. I really like it. Everyone here has been really good. With Chef, Penny, everyone that we've gone through and everyone that we've talked to, like all the instructors and everything have been really good with getting to answer our questions, and the classroom and all the classrooms that we've been in have been really nice too. I've brought my family in a couple times before class, so I can kind of like show them around a little bit, and even with the things that I've taken home after we've made, and they all they enjoy it and they like what I'm doing, they like what I'm bringing home. And I've actually had like a couple of my family members tell them that whatever I happened to bring home that night was like the best they'd ever had, and so like really it's good to know. Because it's something new, like some of this stuff, he's like, oh, we're making this tonight. It's like, well, I've never heard of that before, so I'll give it a shot. And like, if you're really into cooking, like, this would be the school to go to, because they're really on with everything, and they really use everything that we have, and we go through all sorts of different things every day. So it's always something new, and it's never the same thing twice. It's always fun. And Chef makes it as fun as you can make it. Yeah, I'm really glad that I came to Franklin Tech and to learn all of it here, then go somewhere else. I feel like I've had a lot of fun here and I really enjoy it.